All right, today we're gonna get started on our little house. It's gonna hold all of our solar equipment, inverter, batteries, and all that kind of stuff. Hopefully we could just use everything that's left over from the shed build. So we're gonna get at it, let's go. What I learned from the shed is that you want to get this foundation platform as perfect as possible. And also, I ain't messing around with them dang screws no more. We're gonna get the walls put up. Well, this is our little solar hut. Got this here solar panel kit that I bought. And the panels, trying to figure that out today. Well, we got the solar panels all set up, all hooked up. There's my wire. I got to get a lot more wire because I want to put way back over there. That way, that's where the sun hits first thing in the morning. And then I'm going to trench all over here with PVC, but I'm going to wait to do that when I get more wire. But right now we got it hooked up in our solar hut. Everything's all hooked up. I spared you that video because it was a lot of me reading instructions. Well, not really reading, just looking at pictures over and over again, but she's hooked up, she's running. Got the inverter hooked up and running. More power, baby. Oh, 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 oh. Thanks for joining.